ಹೊಸತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ದು.
ಇನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಉಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಾ ಈಗ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ ನ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಕಪ್
ಗಾಡಿನ ಅದು.
ತಮ್ಮವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವವರು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ?
ಒಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾನ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ, ಇದು ಬರೀ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಲೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಗ್ರೈಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಆಟ ನೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೀಗೆ 14 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿವೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಎಂಡ್ಯೂರಾ ಪ್ರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಚನ್ ನ ಹೀರೋ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ತಮ್ಮವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವವರು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Introducing the new Prestige Induction Cooktop with menu options for Indian delicacies, a keep warm function and feather light buttons. जो innovation से करे प्यार, वो Prestige से कैसे करे इनकार?
Presenting Prestige Endura Pro, a multifunctional mixer grinder for all food preparation needs. This is powered by a 1000 watts motor with ball bearing technology for efficient and powerful grinding. The classy black and steel finish presents the appliance with grace and elevates the appearance of the kitchen, while performing 14 different functions. The family of the Endura Pro mixer grinder consists of 6 jars designed for various culinary purposes. Our multi-utility jar comes with 2.5 liters capacity, and this jar supports all the different attachments that come with the appliance. Chopping and mincing blade effortlessly chop or mince your items with the simple twist of the knob. Atta kneader. Making dough is no more a messy affair. Adjustable slicing disc. You can slice your veggies according to the thickness you prefer. The pusher helps you to add your ingredients easily. Reversible shredding disc. Shred down your ingredients in the size that you want. Citrus juicer makes sure to squeeze out all the juice quickly, saving you all the pain. Finger chip disc. Enjoy consistently perfect results. To aid you in cleaning the unreachable places, this jar comes with a removable base. Mix or keep jar. Finely grind all your ingredients and store the item in the jar itself. Our mix or keep jar is compatible for storage as well. Juicing and blending jar. The stainless steel sieve and the pusher that extracts the maximum amount of juice from fruits and vegetables saves you all the effort of separating the juice and seed, makes up the ultimate juicer blender that helps you collect juice in a go. Wet grinding jar. Make a fine paste of your dals and pulses within minutes. Dry grinding jar. Be it coarse or fully ground powder, this jar helps you with either. And lastly, the chutney jar. Whether you want coconut, peanut, or just plain mint chutney, this jar is your friend. It's the presence of a pure copper motor with the ball-bearing mechanism that sets the Endura Pro apart. These significant features aid in increasing efficiency and reducing the noise during usage, and at last, offers a long motor life. Endura Pro is the blend of trust and innovation brought to you by Prestige that combines all your cooking needs in one powerful mixer grinder. जो अपनों से करे प्यार, वो Prestige से कैसे करे इनकार?
Introducing Tri-ply Pressure Cooker, the latest innovation from Prestige. With a deep lid that controls spillage, gas and induction compatibility, and a tri-ply body that is not just durable but also distributes heat evenly. जो innovation से करे प्यार, वो Prestige से कैसे करे इनकार?